Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about the derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we keep the same, and we need to do first the derivative of x plus y. This one we have negative sign of 3xy. Later that we need to do first about 3xy. So this one we have number 1. This one that is about first the derivative of y. So we can put like this. This one we need to do first the derivative of x. Later that we need to do first the derivative of y. Now we need to expand. And this one. So I will put this one go to the left, and we have like this. This one I will put on the right. Later that we can do about factorization by first the derivative of y. Next, we need to divide both sides by this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.